Hello, y'all. Welcome. We're in lesson 7 using pickup sticks, and this is the Epically Creative Weaving course, module 3A. And of course, I am Amy D. McKnight, and in this lesson, you're going to learn why use pickup sticks, how pickup sticks work, and how to create different types of floats. Why use a pickup stick? Well, in the last lesson, we learned how to create patterns and textures using various hand-manipulated techniques. In this lesson, we're going to be learning how to use pickup sticks to create patterns and textures a little bit more quickly. You can use pickup sticks to hold threads for a repeat pattern. This is why you would want to use them. How pickup sticks are used. So, how pickup sticks is moved or turned, and the position of the heddle will determine what threads are moved or have prominence. You pick up the threads with the heddle in the down position. So let's say that again. You pick the threads up with the heddle in the down position. What threads will vary based on the pattern and the intent of use. So, creating different types of floats. Putting the heddle in neutral and turning the pickup stick on the edge will produce weft floats. Putting the heddle in the up position while sliding the pickup sticks up and up to the back of the heddle will raise up the warp threads. If you have weft floats on the front of your fabric, you will have warp floats on the back and vice versa. You will find an over my shoulder video of me weaving after this lesson, and it will be labeled pickup sticks. So that was quick. In this lesson, you learned why you might want to use pickup sticks, how pickup sticks work, and how to create different types of floats. So I invite you to take action now. Weave along with me or after the video as I show you how to weave warp and weft floats. If you haven't already, go ahead and download the handout, Planning in the Weft game board. And of course, I want to invite you to join my weaving community if it is not already open at this moment in time. You will not have to wait long before I open the doors again. Right now, I am loving on the people who are in the community. And after your wait, you'll be able to join, and I will be able to encourage, support, and love on you when you get in the community as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave me a comment to let me know what you thought. Subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and share this video. In the next lesson, you're going to learn how to begin your weaving with hem stitching as well as how to end your weaving with hem stitching. So much fun. All right, y'all. I will see you in that next video.